Welcome to my channel. How to set up Canon MAXIFY GX2020 fix common printer errors fast. Step 1. Unbox the printer, remove all tapes, plastic covers, and packaging materials from the printer carefully. Keep the ink bottles and power cable ready. Step 2. Connect the power cable, plug the printer into a power outlet and press the power button. Wait until the screen turns on completely. Step 3. Fill the ink tanks. Open the ink tank covers and slowly pour the correct color ink into each tank. Do not overfill the tanks. Step 4. Install the print heads. Open the printer cover and insert the print heads into their correct slots. Lock them properly before closing the cover. Step 5. Load paper correctly. Place A4 paper into the input tray and adjust the paper guides properly to avoid paper jam problems. Step 6. Connect to Wi-Fi. Go to the printer settings, select wireless LAN setup, and connect the printer to your home Wi-Fi network using the password. Step 7. Install printer drivers. Download and install the latest Canon printer drivers on your computer or laptop from the official Canon website. Step 8. Print a test page. After installation, print a test page to check print quality, ink flow, and wireless connection status. Step 9. Fix paper jam errors. If paper gets stuck, turn off the printer and gently remove the jammed paper without tearing it. Step 10. Solve offline or connection errors. Restart the printer and router, then reconnect the printer to Wi-Fi. Make sure the printer is selected as the default printer on your computer. Thanks for watching.